This tutorial will show you how to install OmniWin for a single workspace. This install will create a local database which is contained on the local PC and will only be accessible from that PC. First, you will need the OmniWin installation files that are found on the Silver Messer USB key, or you can contact the Applications Department at applications@messer-cutting.com to have them sent to you. Once you have these files, you can open the folder and open the install folder. Then run the setup.exe file. From here, you can choose the language to use. Be sure to review the README and system requirements, then hit Continue. Go over the Messersoft license terms and accept the terms and conditions and hit Continue. Select the single workspace. Choose the region that you are located. Under the Migration tab is where you'll choose whether you are migrating from a previous single workspace release, such as an older version of OmniWin, or if you are selecting a new install. If this is a new install, select the Do Not Migrate option. Under the Process Data Location tab and Install Location tab, this is where you can choose the location for this data. However, we recommend leaving them as default. You are now ready to click the Install button. When the installation is complete, you can close this window. Now open OmniWin with a new icon that has been placed on your desktop. If you get this screen, it means the USB license dongle was not detected. If you have the black local dongle, make sure it is plugged in. If you have the red network dongle and want to use it locally, it will require you to install the Sentinel Admin Control Center. You can check the link in the description for the Sentinel download, along with any further information on setting up and troubleshooting a network dongle. Now that the dongle is plugged in, you can select OK. You will now get the activation screen. Fill this form out with your information. Messer uses this email address to send out updates to OmniWin, as well as other subscription information. Once you have filled out this form, check the I agree box and then click Send Activation Code. You will be emailed a 4-letter activation code that can be entered here. Once that is done, you can hit Activate. OmniWin is now ready to use. If you have any questions, contact our Applications Department for prompt service, 262-532-4689.